Welcome to Skyview Creative. In today's quick video, I will be giving you a short, simple comparison of lenses on the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. This series on the main Hasselblad camera is a 24mm equivalent, shot in 4K, 60 frames per second with an aperture 5.6. The Hasselblad camera offers a 3x digital zoom feature, which allows for closer views of subjects, but the image quality may degrade or become less sharp as the zoom level increases. All of the footage here was captured using the normal color profile mode, and no post-production editing or color grading has been applied. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with a medium telecamera with a 70mm equivalent focal length and a fixed aperture of 2.8, providing exceptional high-quality imaging with incredible depth possibilities. The third telecamera on the Mavic 3 Pro is a 166mm equivalent focal length and a fixed aperture of 3.4, giving a slightly degraded zoom ability. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this vignette. If you found it informative, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Please share your thoughts in the comments section. We value your feedback and opinions.